Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you about assignment operators in PHP. So what are assignment operator in PHP? In PHP, equal sign is assignment operator. Similarly, plus equals, minus equals, multiply equals, divide equals, modulus equals. So here I'm gonna describe you that this is assignment operator in PHP. When we initialize a variable, a value, for example here you can see that variable 1 is equal to 50, for example. So this means that 50 value is assigned to variable 1. So the assignment is done by using assignment operator. This is assignment operator that assigns a particular value to a variable that is on the left side of the assignment operator. This means that 50 value is assigned to the variable 1, and these are some compound assignment operators. So I'm gonna discuss these compound assignment operator later in this video. So first of all, this is an assignment operator, and here I'm gonna assign another variable. Variables 2 is equal to 100, that is assigned a value of 100 to variable 2. So this is also done using assignment operator. Now for example, we can also print the values of these two variables using echo statement. So this is the value of the variable 1. Similarly, dot echo variable 1 and variable 2. Now I'm gonna save this and open the file into the web browser. So PHP basics assignment operator .php. So variable 1 is 50 and variable 2 is 100. So the values are assigned using assignment operators that here you can see. Now if I want that a variable 1 value is 50, now if I want to add a 10 more amount to the variable 1, for example 50 plus 10, now I'm gonna write this. I have to write the variable 1, that variable 1 is equal to the value of the variable 1. So here will be the value of the variable 1 plus 10. This means that first plus add 10 numbers to the value of the variable 1, that will be 50 plus 10 is equal to 60, and then this 60 value will be assigned to the variable 1, that will override the previous value, that is 50. Now I'm gonna dot here, I'm gonna add a break line that will insert a new line. So I'm gonna write here echo new value is dot variable 1. Now I'm gonna save this file, open web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see hello. So new value is, so here will be double quotes at the left and right side of the break line. Now save this file, open web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see that new value is 10. Now I'm going to tell you that what is the purpose of these compound assignment operators. So these compound assignment operators are used here. So if I want to add 10 more amount to the value of the variable 1, so I can write where 1 plus equals 10. So this is a compound assignment operator. This means that variable 1 is equal to where 1 plus 10. So this statement is equivalent to this statement in PHP. So this is the purpose of compound assignment operator. Similarly, we can perform minus equals to, multiply equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to operators on different variables in PHP. So hopefully guys, simply add minus here or plus here. If you want to subtract 10 value from this variable, you can write here minus sign, this sign. If you want to multiply, you can use this compound assignment operators. So you can use any compound assignment operator here. So hopefully guys, you have understood that what are assignment operators and compound assignment operators and how we can use these operators. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.